Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by checking Essentials. Make sure you're signed into the Google account you'll use and that two-step verification is set if you need it. Once ready, download the drive for Desktop Installer for Windows or Mac OS and run it. During installation, grant file access and system permissions so Drive can sync. If prompted, choose whether to stream files or mirror them. Streaming saves disk space, while mirroring keeps local copies. This gets the app on your desktop and ready to configure. Once the app is running, open Settings and go to Preferences to decide how you want files handled. Choose Stream Files to save local disk space or Mirror Files to keep full copies locally. This affects speed and offline access. Next, pick which My Drive folders to make available offline or stream. Make sure you only select what you need. Then adjust bandwidth and proxy options if you have network limits, and enable launching at startup if you want continuous syncing. These choices shape how Drive integrates with your workflow. Now use Drive like a regular folder. Open Finder or Explorer to browse your My Drive and shared drives. Right-click any file to make it available offline or to see version history. This ensures access when you're disconnected. If syncing stalls, open the Activity panel to view errors. Pause and resume sync or restart the app to clear transient issues. As a key troubleshooting tip, if problems persist, sign out and sign back in, confirm disk space and firewall settings, and check that file names.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.